Welcome, dear learners. Welcome again in another module of our MOOC on academic writing. This module is on research article writing, IMRAD Style 1. We have covered the various aspects of academic writing, like English in academic writing, plagiarism, literature review, review paper writing. Now let us discuss research article writing. After completing this module, you will be able to understand the importance of research articles, planning a research article, and targeting a research article to a journal. Dear learners, the lesson will move with the what are research articles? What is the importance of research article? What are the basic steps of research article writing? And we will address planning and targeting in this module. Now let us open up this module with the question, what are research articles? A research article is a written document which contains the critical presentation of results of an original research work and is published in peer-reviewed journals. Dear learners, it is a primary source. It contains the methods and results of an original research work done by the authors, and it is presented by the authors. Unlike the review paper, you can say, because in review paper we are compiling the work of other people. Here we are presenting our work. That's why it is a primary source. Review papers are theoretical in approach, while the research articles are practical in approach. Review writing is an intensive task, but research is not that much intensive task. But the publication of research work depends on the novelty, quality, and presentation of research work. It is about presenting, or you can say justifying your objectives with your own work. Now let us move to the importance of research articles in academics. We have discussed it in the very first module of the course. And we know that it is very important for all the stakeholders of academics and research. It is important for students, researchers, teachers, and institutions. Research articles are required for submission of PhD because a published paper is mandatory at the time of submission. They are required for direct recruitment and for CS, that career advancement schemes. And the publications have due weightage there. For researchers, it is the source of information for planning novel research and exploring collaborations. It is important for institutions as it builds rapport in academic world. Now let us move directly to the steps of research article writing. The first step is plan, then target a journal. Write first draft, revise and format, final check, and then submission and post-submission. Now let us move to the plan. Dear learners, as we plan the research work carefully, the same holds true for the research article. A complete and thorough planning of various aspects of research paper increases the chance of its publication. An author has to plan many things before beginning of writing a paper. Now let us move to the various aspects of plan. What to plan? You will have to plan the time to write, type of article, the studies to be included, language, author's name, and the outline you have to plan. In the planning phase, for each of these aspects, always discuss each and everything with your supervisor, team members, and the co-authors. Now let us take the very first point, time. When to start the writing? Start early. We have discussed this aspect also, that do not wait up to the end of your entire research work. Report preliminary study even at the early stage of research work. The timing will give you the advantage that you will be prepared with a published article for sure before the submission of the PhD thesis. And this is very important for research article. This is very important for research scholars to get a publication on time at the time of submission. Now let us discuss the type of research papers. The research papers may be original research papers, or you can say regular research articles, short communication, or letter to the editor. Or there might be some other types also depending on your field and the journal. So you have to choose a particular type. So plan a particular type and then you will do other things as per your choice. After planning the types, now let us discuss the studies to be included. What you have to plan? Studies to be included. Plan the preliminary promising studies which yielded good and novel results. Pick them up. Chalk out initially how many papers can be derived from your work. If you have completed your work, now plan it. But always remember, do not cut the work. Do not cut your whole work intentionally in smaller pieces of work. Now next part is planning the language. English is the most widespread language with respect to the readership in international scientific communication. English, for obvious reasons of impact, speed, and reach, is the first choice as a language. Some journals which are published in other languages like Swiss journals also allow submission and publication in English along with the other official language of the journal. It becomes typical in the arts and humanities many times to get a suitable journal. So we will discuss other aspects of planning in the next section.